Andy, we came past here on Sunday while this all was going together, this stand. We're now at the end of the week. How has the show been for you?
The best we've seen in many years. Probably in the last 12 years, it's probably been our best show.
And why do you think that is for you here as DTS? Is it because you've got a machine here that's actually in action?
100%. It's the machine has been a good focal point for the stand. It's been cutting. People like to see swarf coming off machines.
And it's not just any machine, this is it. It's a hell of a machine. Tell us about the model.
This is a Norma with 4 axis, with a UDG head, so it's multi-indexing head, 60 station tool changer, and hide 9 and 640 control.
And it's quite often we go and see machines, but they're not actually cutting metal. But you are on here, aren't you?
Yeah, I think it makes a noise. It's a window. It attracts people as they're walking past. Gives them a bit of a feel of what they really do.
And do you think that's one of the reasons why you took a cracking order on Tuesday?
100%. It was a real good reason why we took that order.
And just, I know we're not going to go into details of who the customer is, but it's someone that you hadn't spoken to previously, came on the stand, looked at this machine, and then bought not maybe this particular machine, but something similar. Is that right?
Absolutely true. Yeah, it was between us and another competitor, and they shook hands on Tuesday on a €800,000 deal.
And the layout of your stand is quite open as well, isn't it? You put a lot of effort into it this year.
Yeah, the stand designers with CORREA go all around the world. This is the principal design that they use. Light, airy, open. I think it draws people onto the stand.
And this particular normal model, these go much bigger as well, don't they? So this isn't this isn't where it finishes. You do get bigger machines in this.
Paul, as you well know, this is where we start. This is the baby machine. This is a 2.5X. It goes 3.5, 4.5. And then we're into obviously the gantries, the 20-metre long machines. It's just a starter. So it's not truly representative of CORREA, but it's a good start.
Just whets the appetite. Thanks, Andy.
Thank you.